this kind of sucks. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of raining, and I was supposed to install the AMS downpipes today, and yeah. Yo, this is gonna be the first install I've ever done in the rain because honestly I just don't have the time to push it for another day. Rain install, man, y'all better love me. Y'all better subscribe and like this video because I'm really, man, I'm about to get sick for you guys. That was a little pressure, maybe not the smartest thing to do in the rain, but whatever, the car is up in the air. But I'm pretty sure I've already showed you guys the downpipes before. Let me just go ahead and show you guys what we're working with today. If these downpipes fit perfect with the rest of the exhaust, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the white pipe, you know, the gritty white pipe that I have as well too. Alright, so as you guys see here, we have the AMS. I got the 3-inch full downpipe. No cats here. We're dog people, you know, we don't like cats. So these are gonna go onto the VR30 swap 370Z. Came with some gaskets, but I noticed that one is you guys can see it on camera. One of them is significantly thicker than the other. As you can see, like the turbos actually, there's no bolts. It's just like a band, like a clamp that stays onto here, and the rest just bolts up normally. What I do know is that I hear that's a little bit of a headache. What's going on, Felipe? Yeah, we're doing a rain install.
We?
Yeah, we. Yeah, like this.
You in the North gang or?
I hear it's a little bit of a headache to put these on inside of the car, but I saw enthusiast point of view do it and a Q, so apparently there's a lot more space with the manual transmission there is in the Q's automatic transmission. So I'm hoping this is a lot more cake than it really. I'm just nervous. I don't want this to be a headache. Whatever. Thank you, my guy.
What?
I don't know. All right, so let's go ahead and put this under the car. Just gonna yeet. Yup. Wet box. Okay. And oh, that's perfect. I can go ahead and get this little wheelie thing, and then I'll just slide under and put this on. So I gotta find out what extensions and sockets I need. Huh?
The new short block, bro.
Bro, they don't care about your short block, man. I'm kidding, bro. Look, this guy, he wants to show you guys the new short block, right?
Flexi.
No, flex a car that works, bro. What are you talking about? A lot of you guys have been asking about the Mustang. It did get a new motor. It's the new short block. The heads are getting machined, and from that point on, we'll be able to install it. Maybe like another, what, month, maybe? Month?
Around there, maybe less.
Okay, not bad. Let's finally get started with this install. So now we go under. All right. You guys get a nice scenic tour of under the car. Let me show you guys what we're dealing with. Right there we have the turbos, right? Awesome. So I need to find a space to get these downpipes on, and I need to figure out how I'm gonna tighten those too, because if you guys can't see, it's actually really with the heat shields on, it's almost impossible, but we're gonna make it happen. And then thanks to Enthusiast Point of View for helping me out. I think I'm gonna start with this side, the passenger side, because it looks like it has a little bit more space than driver's side. Guys, wish me luck because this is gonna be a nightmare. Call Enthusiast Point of View because I got pretty confused with these downpipes, man, dude. And I guess the only way, let me light myself up. So here's the thing, and I know somebody's gonna roast me for sure when this thing is done, but here, like, there's a couple of things I was confused on. So I didn't know which side was which for the downpipe. So thankfully he helped me out with that. But then also now we have these gaskets, which obviously they go onto the V-band. Well, not V-band. They go onto the clamp that goes right behind the turbo. So I'm trying to understand why I have 4 exhaust gaskets. Technically only need 2. So these are the ones that I would, you know, typically figure, you think that that's all you need. And then also I have hardware. First I thought I got the wrong part, but it looks like it fits fine. Here we go.
Yo, what's up, man?
Dude, do you mind if I FaceTime you one more time?
No, man, go ahead.
Do you care? Do you mind being on the vlog so I can expose my stupidity?
No, we're good, man.
Say what's up to the vlog. So,
Yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on?
dude, I'm gonna expose my stupidity real quick. All right. So, how am I gonna do it? It's 2 hands. All right.
That's a serious setup you got there.
Thank you, bro. These were the exhaust gaskets I was talking about. I got, bro. Am I just being stupid or am I being stupid? Jeez, bro. This thing is like a nightmare because yeah, all I have is this clamp right there. That one.
That goes from the turbo to the top of the downpipe. Yeah, when you lock it in. And on the bottom, you would just get the plate. They always supply the plate on the lower downpipe as well.
I'm about to hang myself, bro. All right, man. Thank you,
Man, I
dude.
wish I could give you a pair of hands. Honestly, listen, I'm in the same boat myself. I just took these things off today.
Oh yeah, dude, those test pipes are a headache, bro. Look, so just fly out to Miami real quick, and we'll just figure these downpipes out, man.
Man, I get my vacation next month, June 1st. I get on my vacation. I'll take a trip down there just cause, man.
Bro, we'll make it a thing, man. Thank you, bro. Later, dude. Great, I'm not stupid. So shout out to him. I'll leave his YouTube in the description as well too. Very helpful, nice, humble dude. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get these downpipes on today, guys. Like I'm gonna give it a try, but oh my lord. And I'm over here dropping downpipes, bro. We're dropping downpipes. And it's just straight raining. It has not really stopped. I don't know, guys. Like, I'm kind of demoralized, but we can make this happen. We can make this happen. So let me show you guys what I'm dealing with under the car. I'm gonna go ahead and just install the white pipe right now because I need something that's a little bit, that makes the downpipe a little bit more sturdy. I'm gonna try and show you guys on camera when I'm back under the car to get that clamp, to clock it and get the screw in. And oh my god, dude, that is honestly, this is a very difficult install. This close to just pulling the motor and just installing it like that, because it really does seem a little, not impossible, but it's just a lot bigger of a headache than what it's worth. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the Greddy white pipe on, see if making it a little bit sturdier will make it easier so that way it doesn't like shift around, like the downpipe doesn't move. All I have to worry about is clocking the clamp and just screwing it in. But man, if I don't film too much, I'm sorry. It's just that this is such a difficult and annoying install that right now there's not that much time to touch the camera. So able to go ahead and get it on a little bit, but the thing is you guys can't see it, but there is a screw that's like right over there. Well, I have the screw and I have to put that in there, but it's kind of a mission. So what's gonna end up, but we did find out that the downpipes do line up with the exhaust, so that's perfect. The issue is I need to get this one nut on here, and it's kind of a headache. So oh crap, and I just dropped my phone. So but yeah, I think I'm gonna have to leave this for another day. I don't think this is that easy right now, especially with it just doing it under the car. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna take this L and just move forward, wait for Cheyenne and Manny, see if they can help me out, because yeah, I'm about to punch my car in the balls right now. This is pretty annoying. So Norgan, this might be the shortest, wow, I'm super zoomed in. Let me help fix that. This might be the shortest video I think I've ever posted, because I'm gonna accept my failures. The good thing about it all is that I did find out that the downpipes do line up perfect with the Greddy exhaust, so that's great. Honestly, that means almost everything. I think even if you have a G, it should just line up absolutely perfect. I want to show you guys, but I think I don't want to get back under the car, to be honest with you. I just don't, but I probably will show you guys anyway. Yeah, the exhaust does line up absolutely perfect with the downpipes, which is awesome because it saves us a lot of money on fabrication. It does line up absolutely perfect, and that's awesome. Like I said, we're good to go, to be honest with you. So it doesn't get easier than that. I need to, man, I have to get the driver's side on, and then also I have to, even on the passenger side, I got the downpipe to hook on, but I didn't actually like get the bolt in, because I'm gonna try and figure out what tools I can use to try and stuff it in there, and then also start turning, because man, you really have to have like the tiniest hands ever to get this to work, or the motor has to be outside of the car. If I have to pull the motor, it is what it is. I actually never tightened any of the bolts, even the drive shaft itself. I had a feeling that I was gonna have to pull out the motor again. It's a little frustrating, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry. I mean, we couldn't get a cold start anyway, but I'm sorry that this is kind of like maybe a fail. Well, it is a fail for sure, but I want to reach out to Enthusiast's point of view to see if maybe he has like some kind of cool solutions, or if he watches, he'll probably tell me anyway. I just want to get these things on so that way when the harness is in, it's just like we'll push the button or whatever, and then we start the car and start messing around. But this is all part of it, you know. This is part of the game. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, just make sure you hit that like button. If you're not subscribed already, just subscribe, baby. We out here. So we're about 2 mods away from starting this car. I can't wait. But thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.